Good Friday morning, YouTubers. Today is the day. This is going to be a second part to the first video that I posted a couple days ago. This is the engine install in my 68 Chevelle SS. There's a big story behind this car. You can catch up with that on some of the other videos. Pulled out the 396. Little shot of the car here with the engine out of it. And today is the day that we're going in with a new engine. Really excited about this. The 396 was a great motor. It pulled hard. However, we owned this car back in the 80s and it was pretty much a race car. And I'm kind of putting it back the way that the car was set up in the 80s. This car belonged to my dad a long time ago. So, out with the 396, going back in today with a LS-6 454 punched out to a 468. I'll take some pics today as we go forward with a little project. Hopefully, we will be able to get it going. We've got everything laid out, kind of organized. We got some of our manual transmission linkage headers. We got to clean those up. Power steering lines, clutch, power steering pump, radiator shroud. There is our engine. Like I said, it was a 468. It's got a roller retrofit cam in it, roller rockers, big single plane intake. It's got a scat rotating assembly, H-beam rods, pop-up pistons. It's a pretty nasty little motor. This engine made some incredible numbers at 6,500 RPM on race gas. Compression on it's pretty high. It's over 13 to 1. So we will have to mix fuel. But it is a LS-6 block with big LS-6 heads, rectangular port. They've been worked. I did go back for a safety factor with a scatter shield. And that's pretty much that. We've got all of our tools laid out here, organized, ready to go with the new flywheel. The old flywheel off the old 68 motor, the 396, wouldn't work because it was a 396. And they're internally balanced. The 454 and 502s are externally balanced. So the right size, and it would bolt up. However, you don't want to put it together and your engine be running for a while and ended up with bearing issues or something. So, it's about 10 o'clock here on Friday morning. Hopefully by mid-afternoon, I'll have the engine in the 68 and we'll be able to fire it up and hear it. Now I do have some dyno information and other videos of this engine running on the stand. It's pretty radical. I think it's going to be awesome through open headers when we get it in the car. I'll post a video later today. Y'all have a great one. If you have any questions, shoot me a message. Tell your friends about this page. Subscribe. You know what to do.